At this joyful beginning, I pause, I quiet my thoughts, I open my heart, and I welcome this moment with gratitude. Today we gather not as strangers, but as people ready to connect, to learn one another's stories, and to build something meaningful together. This acquaintance party is more than an event. It is a doorway to friendship, a bridge between unfamiliar faces, a space where community begins to take shape. I honor this moment. I give thanks for every person present here today, each one carrying a unique story, each one bringing personality, experience, and purpose into the space. No one here is here by accident. As this gathering begins, I ask for open hearts, hearts willing to listen, hearts willing to be seen, hearts willing to welcome others with kindness and respect. Let openness replace hesitation. I ask for ease where there is nervousness, for calm where there is uncertainty, for confidence where introductions feel intimidating. Let everyone feel safe to be themselves. May laughter rise freely. May silence feel comfortable rather than awkward. Let connection unfold without pressure. I pray for respect in every interaction, respect for differences, respect for boundaries, respect for each person's voice and presence. Let kindness guide our words. I ask for unity in diversity. Though our backgrounds may differ, may our shared humanity bring us together. Let differences enrich this gathering. I bless the organizers and hosts of this event for their efforts, for their planning, for their desire to bring people together. May their work be rewarded with joy. As we begin this party, I invite joy into the room, joy that lightens hearts, joy that breaks down barriers, and joy that creates memories. Let joy be felt by all. I pray for meaningful encounters today, encounters that spark friendship, encounters that encourage understanding, encounters that leave lasting impressions. Let introductions become beginnings. I ask for humility to approach one another without judgment, curiosity to learn instead of assume, grace to give one another room to grow. Let this be a space of grace. I pray for those who feel shy or unseen, those who stand quietly at the edges, those unsure how to step in. Draw them gently into connection. As this acquaintance party opens, I release comparison. No need to impress, no need to perform, only the freedom to be present. Authenticity is welcome here. I ask that this gathering strengthens community, that it plants seeds of trust, that it builds familiarity that grows over time. I pray for memories that will be recalled with warmth, for moments that will be shared later with laughter, for connections that continue long after this event ends. Let this be the start of something good. I ask for peace to rest over this space, peace that calms nerves, peace that encourages openness, peace that allows everyone to enjoy the moment. Let this room feel welcoming. As we officially begin this acquaintance party, I invite goodwill, respect, and joy to lead every interaction. May everyone leave feeling seen, valued, and connected. With gratitude for this gathering, with hope for new friendships, and with openness to connection, I open this acquaintance party with joy and goodwill. Amen.